Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm going to show you how to make some really super easy, cheap and reasonably healthy muffins. These only have 3 ingredients in them. One ingredient is vanilla yogurt, and I did do a video last week showing you how to turn your homemade Greek yogurt into vanilla yogurt if you do go that way. Otherwise, just store-bought vanilla yogurt will be fine. Now, I have done a video on making banana muffins before, but they're just a bit different, okay? The other ones, again, still super simple, but not 3 ingredients simple. So this is just a really good quick fix. So first of all, we'll just need a couple of decent sized overripe bananas. In this margarine tub, I have the homemade vanilla yogurt, as I say, just buy store-bought or whatever, but you'll need about 2/3 of a cup of vanilla yogurt. And the third ingredient is self-raising flour. And as far as ingredients goes, that's it. Easy peasy. If you don't have self-raising flour, just substitute 1 cup of plain flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I'm just going to grease a muffin tray. You can cook these for a bit less and make mini muffins. They don't make huge muffins anyway, so. Chuck them in a preheated oven, 180 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just keep testing until the skewer comes out clean, and we'll see how they come out. These smell banana-y. Surprise, surprise. I mean, you know, texture-wise, yummy. This one is still a little bit warm. I mean, texture-wise, they're soft, they're moist, they're yummy. If you want to, you can dust a bit of icing sugar on top. You know, the banana flavour really stands out. There's a bit of sweetness from the yogurt coming through. But yeah, they are just a really nice, easy, quick fix lunchbox popperina. That's a word, isn't it? It's a word now, popperina. Use it in a sentence today. So there we go. Hit like, leave me a comment down below, hit subscribe. We'll see you next week. Have fun out there and make a banana muffin. Bye.